Hi, how are you guys doing today? Welcome to yet another day and a new video. So today we're going to be working on the ish and if sound. Ish and if sound, okay? And if you're just joining us, welcome to yet another video. Today is actually the 6th day of our 31 days pronunciation journey. In case you're just joining us, don't forget to watch the previous video, day 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 before this one. And if you actually like what we do here, you can simply join this family simply by subscribing. And when you do, make sure to turn on your notification button, because in that way you get notified whenever I post any video. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you for sticking around. So without wasting much of our time, let's go right into today's lesson. So right here, as usual, we're going to be doing it alphabetically, if you know what I mean. So let's go right to the very first one. I start with the B. I have bish, the bish, bish, not beach, bish. I have the C. We have the sich, sich. We move to D. We have dish. We move to F. We have fish. We move to G. We have gish. We move to the next one. We have the hitch. Ish plus H. You have the hish sound. And we have the J. We have jish sound. This is jish. Okay, we move to the next sound. We have kish. And we move to the L. We have lish. And to M we have mish. We have N. We have niche. And to P we have bish. So we move to the next one, the qui sound. This is qui. We have quish. And after that, we have the R, we have the rish. And after that, we have S, we have sish. We have tish. Tish. And after T, we have V, W, X, Y, and Z. So we have vish, and we have wish. We have zish. We have yish, and we have zish. So we have yish and zish. So let's go over it now. We have bish, sish, dish, fish, gish, hish, jish, kish, lish, mish, nish, bish, whish, rish, sish, tish, vish, wish, sish, yish, zish. Okay, let's try it again. Bish, sish, dish, fish, gish, hish, jish, kish, lish, mish, nish, bish, whish, rish, sish, tish, vish, wish, sish, yish, and zish. Okay, so let's see the sound, the if sound. So starting from the B, I have beef, thief, thief, Someone will call this 5. Yeah, I know, but we are working on the sounds. We are trying to get the sounds. that is applicable to words. Okay, so let's continue. So this is called thief instead of five. So we have beef, sieve, div, thief, give. Heave, this is the H, and the next one, give, give. After K we have leave, leave. Okay, neave, neave. Are we together? Okay, so we'll move on. We have the beef. Okay, and after P we have Q, whi, the quiff sound, quiff. We have reeve, reeve, reeve. We have sieve. We have LMNOPQRST. We have thief. After T, we have the V, vive. We have the W, weave. We have the X, Y, Z. So we have the sieve, yive, and ziv. Okay, so we have them right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so these are the 21 consonants that we have in the English language. Remember, we are not working with the vowels. We're going to treat that separately. There is reason for that. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So we have beef, sieve, div, thief. Remember, some will say this is 5, I know, but to match the sounds you're trying to get today, we leave it at thief. Okay, now we move on. We have give, heave, jive, give, leave, meave, nieve, peeve, weave, reeve. This is re, not li. We have leave here, re, reeve, sieve, thief, vive, weave, ziv, yive, ziv. Okay, this is sieve, sieve. This is ziv. So let's look at some of the words that we could find these sounds in it. So let's go. I have punish, punish, vanish, vanish, publish, publish, blemish, blemish, astonish, astonish, biggish, 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 apish, apish, establish, establish, bearish, bearish, blondish, blondish, bishop, bishop, delish, delish, lavish, lavish. And to this side I have passive, passive, forgive, forgive, protective, protective, conceive, conceive. Okay, you're supposed to have C here. So we have protective, protective, conceive, conceive, active, active, receive, receive, connective, connective, adhesive, 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 drive, 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 achieve, 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 drive. Let's pronounce all together now. I have punish, vanish, publish, blemish, astonish, biggish, apish, establish, bearish, blondish, bishop, delish, lavish. Passive, forgive, protective, conceive, active, receive, connective, adhesive, drive, achieve. Okay, this is what it is for today's lesson. And I believe we actually understood every part of this lesson, the sounds, the wordings in it. I hope we actually got something out of today's video. Okay, don't forget to stay safe. See you same time tomorrow by the grace of God, and bye for now.